It's real breezy over here. I am currently at a rest stop because I had to get more gas because I am on a road trip. And I decided to vlog it, you know? I am on my way to the beach and I have my, of course, coming out here to a new beach. My cousin wanted to come with me, so we just stopped to use the bathroom. She's out pumping gas, and I just got done using the bathroom. So now I'm about to come out, see what she's doing. Let her know I'm vlogging. Big Goofy. Yeah. For the tank 51 in, period. Thank you. Yeah, I'm vlogging us. Letting everybody know, you know, we're gonna road trip. Look behind us. Look behind us. Why are y'all walking up like they had gang or something? Yeah, walking up behind us like they had gang or something. All the white people looking to pass me.
Oh my God, really? That's only two of them.
No, it was them. See?
They only going to
They got tattoos.
They had when I was looking for the hats and stuff to like get a hat for like remembrance or whatever, bro, all they had was Confederate flags on the fucking hat. Oh my God.
We're almost at the beach. We have an hour and some change left.
I bought some sour spray, but I'm hungry.
In the meantime,
we're gonna find something to eat before we go to bed.
In the meantime, yeah, we'll still be on the way there.
See how much money I got left. I spent $8
I gotta use the phone for the GPS, so I'll get back with y'all when we're there, or if we stop and got something to eat. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it went back up.
Yes, ma'am.
I done took all my cousin's money, y'all.
I done said I don't care how much money I gotta spend, as long as this shit get me the fuck back home safely. Oh yeah, I'm gonna spend it. Not to the beach. Why did we sneak to the beach, bruh? Oh my God.
Used to think I was nothing. Look at this love we found. So give me your hand, I can set mine. No, I don't ever wanna see you cry. Oh yeah, no more tears. Oh yeah, no more tears. Take that chance, you'll be fine. No, I don't ever wanna see you cry. Oh yeah, no more tears.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Not to the beach, y'all. Big fish.
Oh my gosh. Just keep driving. I cannot look on the side. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I'm not looking.
It's nothing.
I
Not even water.
I let the camera look.
It's not even water over there.
It is. We're in the middle of it. On both sides.
We're on the land now. The water's way back there.
Nah, bro. That's even worse. You guys, this is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, you're kidding. Guys. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful water. So we decided to take the drive to the beach. It's really beautiful. I never would have thought. This is my first time driving to the beach. And I drove 5 hours. It was worth it. This view is worth it. I'm telling you. With my girl. Yeah, man. Oh! That about knocked me. Dang. It looked like I peed. Look, now look at Zaria. Sorry, look. It look like I peed. It look like I did. It's the water. But, yeah, man, say, man, yeah! You can be loud out here. Oh my gosh. It's always just better at the beach, no? First time I went to the beach, I was 14. People in my classes would always say, I've been to the beach. I was 8 when I went to the beach, 7. I was 14. What? And I'm okay with that. I got to experience it. It's beautiful out here. I love the beach. I'll never get tired of the beach. And this is the one, this is in the North Atlantic Ocean. So this is like on the east side, of course. All the beaches are only on the east or the west. But it's blue. That water is blue. It's this basic Myrtle, it's this basic beach, Myrtle Beach, that's like near me. That's 4.5. That's like a 4.5 journey too. That water be dirty. Not worth it. Myrtle Beach won't be worth the drive with it. No. This is worth it.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. I've never been here. Zaria was here on her family trip, so you know she picked the beach. But yeah. This was our activity for the day.
And our activity back is the drive. It's the bird! Hey, birdie!
Now we're gonna...
Hey, what up, cousin? Cousin! You gonna be for what?
Now we're gonna grab something to eat.
Oh.
Go back to the crib.
This is gonna be late by the time we get there. We're supposed to be going with Memo to the movies tonight.
No one told me that.
She told me this morning.
What movie?
She said that Monty and them gonna shoot them. Scarier. It don't matter, but they gonna shoot them good. I got a freaking question again.
We ain't gonna make it. We gotta rinse our feet off, soak it in this time a little bit more, and then we'll be on the drive.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel. It's called what? It's breezy.
It's real breezy.
Yeah.
It's like the wind out here. It's real breezy. Oh, oh yes, perfect timing. Perfect timing. Oh, y'all don't feel it. Yeah, I'm real happy. The Lord, you know, man, us came out here safe. Honestly, I'm telling you. He wanted me to experience this, and I'm so grateful.
Got the keys to the whip. Got the bonnet to the head. Got the shoes to the feet. Got the phone in my hand.
Hit y'all up later. What's up? We're back on the road again. Stop that Bojangles. I got me this fire chicken sandwich. No pickles. It was so good. The chicken so like got that hint of spice with the, you know, the thickness of the chicken meat. Bussin'. With some fries. Lovely. She was so dang on hungry. So she ain't been saying nothing since she been eating. She's still hyped. She got 2 blueberry biscuits and the 5-piece Supreme combo, you know, basic. Didn't get the hot sauce though, and didn't get a straw, and didn't get a fork for her Bojangles. And she didn't get those 3 things because she was talking mad trash about them. So yeah, that's karma for you. Cause you need to keep your mouth shut.
Maybe they need to do their job.
Or maybe you should keep your mouth shut. Anyway, on the way back to the, you know, hometown.
I called y'all. Damn.
On the hometown. Let you know when we got there. We got a long drive, baby. All right.
Hey you, I got Smoothie. So I'm on Smoothie. Period.
The beautiful clouds, guys. The beautiful clouds.
This is a good song for the
Okay, so it's now 10:45 maybe. We just got back.
Hey guys.
Everybody done took their showers. Me and her done took our showers. Time to get cozy for the night.
This one scared me.
Okay. And thanks for coming on the journey with us. I told KK that she asked what we did today. I told her we went to the beach. And she was like, no, you're kidding. I was like,
We
"Nah,
did.
we really did.
I'm gonna show her the video of my dinner.
A nice vacation. See you again in the next one. It's real breezy over here. Peace out.